Today I will be doing engine oil change, filter change and coolant change at Shell petrol pump service station for my Elite i20 car.
कूलेंट अच्छा नहीं सर।
कूलेंट अच्छा नहीं है ना?
नहीं रुकना।
So technician verified lubricant is not good and he will be going to replace it. Technician removing the old oil and going to replace.
फुल कार्बन सर।
So it's time to change that oil and oil filter. I opt to put for Bose oil filter, which is Myco Bose, and technician is going to fit it up.
ठीक है कोई मसला।
So he is tightening the knob. Now we'll go and put the engine oil. The engine oil I've selected SW30, which is fully synthetic from Shell. So I purchased it from the same showroom, which is close to 3,300 rupees.
सर
We will remove the lubricant. Once the lubricant is removed, then he will bring the car down and put the engine oil and lubricant. Then we'll go for filter change. Shell synthetic SW30, which is fully synthetic, and this engine oil is a 4-liter container. We will be putting 3.5 liters.
ठीक है।
सील देखो।
So now he is putting the engine oil, and once it is done, we'll check the indicator. Once the indicator is verified,
बराबर आया ना?
देखो सर फुल सर।
ठीक है।
ठीक है
उतना तक आया ना? उतना ही रहना है ना?
So engine oil replacement is almost complete. So I have opted for Shell coolant. So this coolant will be protecting our engine. So the technician is going to replace it. So the task is almost going to complete, and technician is putting the coolant to the chamber, and he will put it into the other chambers also. So once the task is complete, then the task is completed, and so this complete activity I have selected for SW30 and Shell coolant. Next I selected for oil filter, which is Bose. I think it's a good combination to protect the car. Thank you.